Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. In the world of crossover vehicles, the ZR-V stands apart as a distinctive offering akin to the Civic and comes exclusively fitted with the 2.0-liter hybrid powertrain within the European market. Interestingly, the particular hybrid powertrain remains unavailable for the US package RV for reasons as yet undisclosed. The electrified variant of the ZR-V boasts a 4-cylinder engine that combines with a force to produce a total output of 181 horsepower and an impressive 350 Nm or 232 pound-feet of torque. While the detailed performance specifications are yet to be revealed, Honda is your potential buyer of powerful acceleration comparable to the V6 3.0-liter engine. This exceptional performance is achieved through the harmonious collaboration between the internal combustion engine and two electric motors, creating the hybrid setup borrowed from the popular Civic EAGP model. The power generated by this dynamic assemble is skillfully transmitted to the front wheels via a continuously variable transmission or CVT. It is important to note that in Japan, consumers also have the option to opt for an all-wheel drive version of the electrified ZR-V. The ZR-V is not to be overlooked in terms of its dimension, measuring at 4,570 mm or 180 inches in a length and 1,840 mm or 72.4 in width. It aligns more closely with the outgoing ZR-V rather than the recently unveiled next-generation model designed for the European market. Impressively, with its rear seat folded down, the ZR-V offers an ample cargo capacity of 1,291 liters or 45.6 cubic feet, ensuring enough room to accommodate all your belongings. In conclusion, the ZR-V presents a hybrid crossover option with exceptional feature and performance. It is exclusivity in Europe, paired with the promise of power and versatility, makes it a formidable competitor in the market. With its impending release, automotive enthusiasts and potential buyer eagerly wait to opportunity to experience the driving pleasure offered by this remarkable vehicle. Okay guys, what do you think about 2024 Honda ZR-V? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.